Hi, this is Ryan from Foxtecc. If you're curious about how to check someone's recent following on Instagram, I'm here to walk you through the steps. Let's get right into it. First off, if you're trying to see who you've recently followed on Instagram, it's pretty simple. Just go to your profile, tap on Following, and you'll see a list of accounts you follow. Instagram lets you sort this list by latest or earliest, making it easy to track your own recent activity. However, when it comes to checking someone else's recent follows, things aren't quite as straightforward. Instagram doesn't allow you to sort or view another person's following list by the order in which they followed people. This means you can't directly see who they've followed most recently. But there's a small workaround that might help. While Instagram doesn't explicitly let you sort someone else's following list, it's possible that the accounts they followed most recently might appear near the top of their following list, especially if you check soon after they've added them. If you have some reference, maybe you know they followed someone yesterday, you could try to spot that account at the top of their list. Another approach, although it might feel a bit awkward, is to simply ask the person who they've recently followed. It's direct, but depending on your relationship with them, it might be the easiest way to find out. If you prefer a more subtle method, you can check who is liking their recent posts and compare it to the likes on their older posts. New followers often start engaging with content soon after following, so you might be able to identify new followers this way. I hope this helps you understand the options available for checking someone's recent following on Instagram. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.